Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Root Insurance app for usage-based pricing, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To download the Root Insurance app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Root Insurance. Press the search icon to initiate the search. Look for the Root Insurance app in the list of results. Verify that the app is published by Root Insurance Company. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews if you wish. To download the app, locate the Get or Install button. Tap on the button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once the download is complete, find the app on your home screen. Tap on the Root Insurance app icon to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Input the required personal information, including your email address and password. Verify your email if prompted to do so. Once logged in, you can navigate through the app to explore usage-based pricing options. Set up your vehicle information to get personalized quotes. Review the coverage options available to you. Now you are ready to take advantage of usage-based pricing with Root Insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.